I got bushes and bushes full of them here. The smaller ones. Ooh, there's some big ones. Look at that. Oh, they're mating. I don't know what they are. I was squishing beetles and somebody told me that I just squished a good beetle on my YouTube channel, so just loaded. We have pumpkins blossoming. Well, I know I've shown this a few times, but I'm going to show it again because that's how I appreciate everything I'm getting out of here. This is another one that's going to seed, so I'm pulling it out. It's a radish. Oh, look at that one. There's a dandy. That's probably all I need to pull for breakfast. See, this one's going to be a monster. That one's really doing good. It hasn't gone to seed yet. That's going to be a really nice one. Of course, as we're pulling this out, we're giving these cowpeas some room to move around. I don't see anything going to seed in here. If they don't go to seed, then they got a chance to get bigger. Yeah. That's enough for breakfast, but I want to put some onion taste in it. I keep harvesting these guys along the walkway here. It's a nice little taste. It'll be good. I was going to pull a beet too, but that's a lot right there. That's enough. Potato onions are starting to dry out a little bit, so they must be bulbing up. Oh, look it. I don't think I had any go to seed before. We're going to have to leave that one grow. Yeah, you can see they're kind of widening out there. So yeah. Another 2-3 weeks we'll be pulling those out of the ground. Bubils aren't full yet. Another week we'll be taking those out. Look at the slugs that crawled right up to the top of these potatoes. They're desperate. I'm gonna have to put some. Well, you know, I just don't want to kill the slugs either. I want to figure out plants that can exist with them. I don't know. I gotta think about it. I don't know what that is on there. Oh, it's dripping something out of it. Something must have pierced the. That's a sock. I wonder if it gets too tight around there, then all of a sudden it exposes that apple to whatever it is that wants to eat it. These things should probably be a little more looser around the apple, not so tight. Interesting. Okay, here's another one. Got something on the top of it. See that? Something figured out that you can go through the sock because it's tightened up too much. Huh. Well, I'm not looking for perfect apples, but if I can help them. I mean, this little bit of work that I'm doing, what is it going to take me? A minute, and I'm gonna preserve how many dollars worth of apples. Yeah, here's another one that's got lots of bite marks and it's got a tight sock around it. Okay, well, you know, all this I'm doing is just experiments and trying to figure out what's the best course of action without going chemicals. And I don't mind learning the hard way because that's how you learn. You gotta figure this out. If you don't have, if you kill all the pests with chemicals, you won't be able to figure it out organically. So you got to let it happen. Then you got to think about it. Try experiments like this. Well, I'll come out here and finish this after breakfast because doing it with one hand is not fun either. Ooh, here's another one. See that? Look at that. Unless it already had infected the apple before we put the sock on, which is possible. These ones that are a little bit more exposed, where they're not hidden by leaves and everything, I think they get more attention. You know, maybe there's such a thing as leaving 3-4 apples on the branch uncovered, and then they'll go after those apples, and before those critters get a chance to hatch, you take that apple off. Like I got these ferment tanks going, I can throw the apples in those ferment tanks, and they aren't going to be hatching in there. These are pristines, so they're going to be ready in about a month. They'll be the first ones ready on the property.